I think the reason why we've been successful is that we focus on technical quality, professionalism.
We believe in delivering the quality that we promise.
Always seems to be pretty good opportunities coming up for advancement.
Diversity of skills that people have.
Everyone's there to help you.
I just really love the variety of projects we get.
It's a good place to work.
CTL Thompson began in 1971, but it became known as CTL Thompson when we merged with Commercial Testing Labs in 1976. Prior to that, it was known as R.W. Thompson Incorporated, and then when we merged to form the name we have now, CTL Thompson. CTL Thompson's a consulting geotechnical engineering firm. We do geotechnical engineering, materials engineering, environmental engineering, some structural engineering, and materials testing.
Typically, we'll meet with a client. They'll have a need, whether it's a foundation for a new building, framing design for a new building, or retaining soil, and tell us what they need, and we go about designing it from there. They'll give us some plans, and we'll work through it that way, and give them design engineered plans so they can build it in the field.
We do field testing. Samples are brought in from the field. We run proctors, which determines densities and moistures for that type of material. We do CBR testing, which is a California bearing ratio. We do beam testing, gradations, washes. We also do asphalt in this part of the laboratory.
We're the materials testing branch of CTL Thompson here in Denver. We test all of the concrete, masonry, aggregates, large type aggregates for project work, predominantly through Denver, but also for all the offices outlying as well. They'll ship things to us as well.
Well, I think our biggest strength is the culture and the core group of employees. I like the culture. I like the fact that we lead the market with our practices.
At CTL Thompson, our core values are technical excellence, performance, respect, fiscal responsibility, and professionalism. Those components have been part of our business from the inception of the business, and it's regardless of how big or small we've been and what states we've been in, we've held those values to drive our company.
The diversity of skills that people have and backgrounds really brings a lot to the table and allows us to do a lot of different things that a lot of other companies just don't have the people to do.
I think the company is great. I think they're very driven. You know, they work hard and they are very efficient with their time. And yet it's still a somewhat relaxed atmosphere.
We do a lot of kind of after hours activities that aren't normal in other offices that I've worked in. So I really like working here. Just the work atmosphere and the people we work with definitely make it enjoyable to come.
Well, again, I've been with them 17 years. They've always supported me. If you work with CTL Thompson, you're willing to give them the effort, you're willing to progress, they're going to take care of you.
I've been here since April 2001. I can find myself in testing, and I get a lot of experience in this job, which is very, very, very lovely for me.
I've been here 4 years, and the reason why I love it is the people I work with and being in contact with the clients that we do business with.
I've been with CTL Thompson for 19 years, so I've been through a lot of what CTL Thompson does on the geotech side, the residential side, the engineering side, the field side. So I've kind of gone the whole gamut.
That if you wanted more responsibility, to take it. And we don't have, CTL Thompson's a place where if you want more responsibility and you want to grow your career and you want to advance and develop as an engineer or develop as an accountant or develop as a field technician, we don't restrict that. We look for that and we try to foster that.